today we are going to be looking at the Nerf gun wall. Insert epic music here. And basically, this is sort of the whole arsenal of all my blasters. In total, there are 31 blasters. And basically, I'm going to go over the collection. And how this is made, it's just simple things you can go and buy at a hardware store. These are all with different little clips, and you can hang blasters on them. And then you just buy a wall, you just screw the wall on it, and then you can easily, the blasters are not already attached, you can grab them and pull them out, and then easily put them back on. And also that means, like, if you had like your Nerf guns on the floor and like tripped on them and like all that kind of stuff, which mine were like just everywhere. Now, with the Nerf gun wall, they're on a wall. They're taking up almost no space. So now we're gonna get into all the blasters. There's basically Modulus, Rough Cut, Strife, which I've heard that they're gonna stop. That they're like not making them as much anymore. So pretty cool that I got one. And then there's the Sledgefire, and I'm not gonna go over all of them. But basically, I have all these extras down here, but we ran out of clips, and we're going to buy more clips, and we're going to fill it in. And we have also these little red baskets that have clips, shells, rifle magazine, stocks, grenades, scopes, an assault grip, barrels, and the zombie strike chainsaw assault grip thing. But basically, you can go and buy this at a basic hardware store too. And this is the Nerf gun wall, so I'm just going to give you a shot of the whole wall without me there. And pretty much, that's Cohen Master Builder signing out.